What is up everyone, this is Kiran here. Welcome back again to Tech Kiran YouTube channel. As we are making videos on Android tweaks, we have another Android tweak available for you, which is kind of a Magisk module. If you are a user who have rooted their device and you also have Magisk installed on your device, then you can give it a try. This Magisk module is called NFS Injector. I made a video on NFS Injector maybe some time ago. If you didn't watch that, you can watch this updated video, because in the updated version they have fixed a lot of things, so it's better to install the updated version as expectedly. If we are installing battery tweaks right now, as you can see, we have every log available, what this will do on your device, what it is doing and what it will do, and everything else you can simply see on screen. After in this log screen, if you install this, you'll see everything what is going on, user mode active, running battery saver, etc. A lot of things have been activated. This is kind of a very interesting and useful Magisk module. And as I previously mentioned you, if you want to install any kind of tweak like this, battery tweak, performance tweak or anything, it's better to install only one at a time. Don't install same things like NFS and Magnetar and that MBR, etc. Don't install all these modules at one time. It will just give you a lot of issues, so it's better to use only one at a time. And this NFS injector, you'll see some basic information too. By the way, I'm using the free version here. You can also use the updated pro version. For pro version, of course, you need to purchase it, and if you want to purchase it, you can join the Telegram channel. It's already available on Telegram. You can check it out. If you don't want to use the pro version, if you want to use the free version, you can. It's already available for free and you can install it from Magisk, as what I'm using it right now. I'm not having any kind of issues in free version, so yes, you can also give it a try. This is one of my favorite models out there, which I always review on my channel, or basically which I always personally use. NFS is one of those which I always use. If you want to give it a try, you can. As I previously mentioned you, this is actually a Magisk module, so make sure you have Magisk installed. And if you don't know how to install Magisk, etc., the most viewed video from my channel is called Magisk 22.1, so simply search for it. You'll find that easily. It has already more than 100k views. And in terms of NFS Injector, this is the model which I was talking about. Next in kernel and RAM management tool, powered by an energy aware AI engine. If you want to install it, as I previously mentioned, the link is in the description. How to install this? If you are using any kind of Magisk version, I'm using Magisk 23. It's always recommended to use the latest version, and also we are using NFS Injector's the latest version. It also has its previous versions which are old versions, so it's better to use the new one, NFS Injector X6 doomsday.zip. Installation link is in the description. This file link, which shouldn't take much time, but just wait and watch this video till the end. After installation of this module, you need to reboot your device, but after reboot you need to install this app to configure everything. If you don't install this app, the module will not do anything, so it's better to install this APK file. APK file link also is in the description. Just click this, install from storage, NFS manager. Let me just install it on my device and let me show you how this will give you the UI and etc. I don't think so it has a complicated process. As you can see, it's done here. When you click here, it will stay here for some time and then it will ask you for the root permission, so just wait for it. Don't be compiled like this. As you can see, you need to grant the root permission. Just wait, go and customize. Link is in the description. This is all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share this video. Goodbye, have a nice day.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.